Hello home investors, this is Shalom of DMCI Homes in-house sales, and I am now here at the construction site of Alder Residences. This property is a pre-selling condo of DMCI Homes that will be turned over in 2024 and 2025. And as of now, we have an ongoing promo, which is you can pay the 15% down payment until 2026. So if you want to see sample computations, just send me a message through my Facebook page, Instagram, or mobile number. So tara, samahan niyo akong silipin ang construction update ng Alder Residences. I am standing here in front of Mahogany Place 3, a house and lot project of DMCI Homes inside Acacta Estates, na kabilang side lang ng Alder Residences. Beside Alder Residences is Cedar Crest. It is a ready for occupancy condo. That's Andea Building. It is the first building of Alder Residences that will be turned over on June 2024. Then we have Manzuria Building that will be turned over on September 2024. Hindi nga lang tayo pwedeng pumasok sa loob dahil construction site na yon. And what I like most about Alder Residences is aside sa pre-selling pa ang property na ito, very flexible ang payment term, and the unit layouts bigger na compared sa ibang projects or condominium inside Acacta Estates. Then walking distance din ito sa Acacta Estates Town Center. Let me show you. I am now here in Verawood Residences, inside Acacta Estates pa rin. I have a client meeting here. We bring clients here to check the turnover finishes, as well as our model unit. Please take note that our model unit here is a bit smaller compared sa actual unit in Alder Residences. Again, my name is Shalom. If you need sample computations or you want to check the model unit, just send me a message through my Facebook page, mobile number, or Instagram account. Thank you for watching and happy home investing, everyone.